In using DDD patterns for supple design, this is one of my favorite sessions. What we do here is we look at some code, some Java code, where a team has attempted to model an area of a business domain, particularly an extended warranty business domain. And we look at that code and we walk through it and we say, what can we learn about the way that they've modeled this? And how does this align with how we would want to approach it from a domain-driven design perspective? And we look at the objects and we say, what can we learn from this? One of the things with domain-driven design is it really puts a lot of emphasis on technical experts like ourselves working with business experts, working with experts in the business domain and collaborating closely together. So in this session, we kind of play with that idea a bit and say, okay, what would a domain expert be telling us about this part of the domain? And then we try and incorporate that into the code. We look at the language that we're using and we say, what would this look like if we actually put it in the code? How do we come up with a supple design that is flexible where we need it to be flexible? How do we encapsulate these concepts in the code in such a way that we can come away from the code and really understand what's going on? We spend so much of our time reading code rather than writing code, that we look at ways that we can refactor the code and come up with a design that is expressive, that is concise, that is located in the code, and that allows us to modify the code in a way that we can really keep the competitive advantage of the company in that core domain area that we need to be focused on.